In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down list in Google Sheets. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing data and ensuring consistency throughout your spreadsheet. Whether you're managing a small work project or keeping track of personal tasks, drop-down lists can streamline the process and save time by eliminating repetitive data entry. First, open your Google Sheets and decide where you'd like to create your drop-down list. Highlight the cell or range of cells that you want to use for this list. This gives you the flexibility to apply the drop-down to a single cell or multiple cells within a row or column. Once you've done that, move your cursor to the top of your screen and click on Data from the menu options. This will lead you to various data handling tools within Google Sheets. Next, from the Data menu, select Data Validation. This is the key feature that enables us to create our drop-down list. A new data validation window will pop up, providing various options and settings. To start setting up your drop-down, click on Add Rule. This action opens a dialog box where you can begin specifying the items that will appear in your drop-down list. Begin by typing in your first option. For our example, let's use the option Yes. You can also choose a particular color for this option if you'd like it to stand out visually. Clicking on the color square next to your choice allows you to pick from a range of colors. Choosing distinctive colors for each option can help users quickly discern between choices, especially in larger spreadsheets. After setting up your first option, proceed by typing in the next choice, such as No, and again, if desired, choose a color for it. Make your selection and continue on by adding yet another item by clicking Add Another Item. For this demonstration, let's type in Maybe as our additional choice. Select a color for it just like before. Once you have entered all the options for your drop-down list, review your choices to ensure they're set to your preference. When you are satisfied with how everything looks, simply click Done to apply all the changes. You should now see a small arrow appear next to the cells you initially selected. Clicking on this arrow will reveal the drop-down list with all the options you've entered like Yes, No, and Maybe. Congratulations! You've successfully created a drop-down list in Google Sheets that you can now use for better organization and efficiency in your projects. If you need to add more options later, simply follow these steps again and adjust your list as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!